How to tag someone in a Facebook comment. So in order to do that, let's scroll down right here. And then, for example, we have in here this post, and we want to tag someone in a comment. Just click on this vertical comment, and then what you can do is we can head over and put in here an ad. And then you can actually tag in here some people. You can also tag some pages that you follow. You can also tag your followers, and you can also make this and highlight. So for example, let's tag this person. And after that, head over and then just send that right there. So as you can see, I have sent that comment and it will be posted. Alternatively, you can also click on this vertical comment right here and then click on this add option. And then you can click on this followers. In that way, all of your friends that you actually follows you will receive a notification. Head over and then just send it and they should be able to receive a notification for that. So that's how you tag someone in a Facebook comment. Hope we help.